We import NumPy for numerical operations, FastAPI components for the web framework, Jinja 2 templates for rendering pages, static files for serving assets, Pydantic's base model for request validation, and Random Forest Regressor as our ML model to predict house prices. We initialize the FastAPI application with a descriptive title and configure Jinja 2 to serve HTML templates from the templates directory. We create a seeded random number generator for reproducibility and set the dataset size to 2000 synthetic housing samples. We generate 6 realistic housing features for each sample: square footage, bedroom count, bathroom count, property age in years, garage spaces, and a location desirability score, each within a realistic value range. We calculate synthetic house prices using a weighted formula that rewards size, rooms, and location while penalizing older properties, adds realistic market noise via a normal distribution, and clips all prices to a minimum of $30,000. We stack all 6 feature arrays into a single 2D training matrix, initialize a random forest regressor with 200 trees, and train it on the synthetic housing data so it can predict prices from new property inputs. We define a Pydantic request model that validates the incoming JSON body, ensuring all 6 property features are present and correctly typed before the prediction runs. This get route serves the homepage, rendering the house price predictor UI where users can enter property details to get an AI-generated valuation. This post route receives the validated house features, packages them into a 2D NumPy array, and runs the random forest model to get the main predicted price. We collect the individual prediction from every tree in the forest, then calculate the 10th and 90th percentiles across all tree predictions to produce a confidence price range reflecting the model's uncertainty. We return a JSON response with the main predicted price and the lower and upper bounds of the estimated price range, giving users both a point estimate and a realistic confidence interval for the property valuation.
Now here is our index.html where I have designed the all-user interface. If you would like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.